Okay, so you just got home and you plugged in your tape deck, and it won't. The tape doesn't turn. So here's what you do. It's a quick, easy fix. I think just about anybody can do it. You're gonna need to get some tools. I'll leave you a link in the description area for the tools. You're gonna need just a standard Phillips head screwdriver. This is like a little dental pick. It's got a little hook on the end of it. You're gonna need a kit. It comes with different diameter little belts, and I'll leave you a link to this belt kit as well. And it'd be helpful to have a tape head cleaner. To test it out, you're gonna need some sort of cassette tape. Your tape deck is gonna have some screws all the way around it. It's gonna have anywhere from 4 to 6 screws. Good idea to put these screws in something like a water bottle top, where they won't move around off of a table, and just set those aside somewhere. You're gonna take your top off. Okay, so the situation is there's a little bitty belt on these two wheels, and this belt is stretched, so we're gonna just ease this belt off of here. Okay, on this model there's a second belt. It's around the motor, and it's around this little wheel right here. Okay, so we're going to take those off. Because you have two belts around this motor. There's the little belt. Okay, and there's the big belt. You just need to work that out of there. Okay, so there's our belts. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take belts out of my kit. These are all different size belts. Alright, now I'm going to size my belts that came off of there with belts out of my kit. And the belts out of the kit, I want them to be, a little smaller than what came out of there, because what came out of there, we know is old and stretched. Okay, so all you have to do to put these new belts on is you're gonna put them around this little pulley on the motor. So there's a little pulley on the motor back here. So I'm gonna just get that belt in there. Stick it around that little pulley. Alright, you want to make sure the belt is in the groove of the pulley. And then you just stick it on this little wheel right here. Okay, now let's just test it and see if it works. Okay, let's play, rewind, fast forward. It works. Okay, the way you use the tape head cleaner is you're going to put just a little tiny bit of alcohol on this tape head cleaner film that runs through here. Just a tiny bit, like a little tiny drop. And then you're going to put it in your cassette deck. You hit play. You let it play for 30 seconds or so. Hit stop, rewind, stop, play, let it play for 30 seconds or so.